BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, you know what time it is, you know what day it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do one of my all-time favorite concession stand foods. We're going to do a walking taco. If you don't know what that is, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let's get started with the walking taco. As I always do, starting with my supporting cast here, and I'm going to be making, as you read in the description, my avocado Pico de Gallo, which really just calls for avocado, tomatoes, I got onion and some cilantro, garlic, salt and pepper, and some lemon juice. That's what goes into Pico de Gallo. But for the actual walking taco, of course, I got my lettuce, my sour cream, a couple different kinds of cheeses, and of course I got my chili in the pressure cooker here, and my two favorite chips, my Doritos and my Fritos. So we're gonna put this all together, but that's essentially all you need, guys. So avocado Pico de Gallo. I'm gonna start with my onions first. So I'm just gonna dice up some onions here. Just a regular white onion. I believe these are sweet onions. You can use any kind of onion though. If you like red onions, some people say they're a little sweeter. Go ahead and try that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dice this one up here real quick. This is a very simple Pico de Gallo, but oh man, it adds that zing and that zap. Whether you want to put it on your homemade tacos or in this case your walking taco, I mean it adds that zap to it. So I'm gonna add this directly to the bowl. All right, so the next thing we're gonna add here is our tomato, or however you want to say it. Now these are Roma or Roman. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but they're these oblong looking, they're a little bit firmer, a little less seeds in them. I don't deseed them or take the seeds out of them. As you can see, it's got some seeds in it, so I don't take them out. I go ahead and use them. Some people like to deseed them because they don't like the seeds in it, but I don't mind it, so I go ahead and put it in here. So I'm just gonna dice up about 3 of these here. Alright, and we're just going to add that to the bowl now, along with the onions. Alright, so the next thing we're going to add is literally the avocado. So, with the avocado, I don't know if you guys know how to check and see if an avocado is ripe or if it's overly ripe. But usually I squeeze them. I like to have a little bit of firmness, but if you take the tops of them, and you have the little stem here, if you pull the stem off, and it's a nice green there, that means it's pretty well nice and ripe for you. Alright, so we're just going to cut these. If you guys haven't cut an avocado before, simply you just take it, cut down on the top till you hit the seed, and then just rotate it. Just like that. Until you cut it in half, spin it open. You can see it's nice and green here. To get the seed out, you just take your knife, pop down right on the knife and twist. Pops right out, every time. So we're going to go ahead and take the avocado out of here. So what I do is I usually cut horizontal and vertical cuts in the avocado here. Leaves nice little cubes. So I use the shell of the avocado as my vessel to cut in. Real simple. Move my hand out of the way so you guys can see. Alright, and I'm going to grab a spoon here. I use like a tablespoon here. It gives it, that way it's real easy. So I just take the avocado, put the spoon right at the edge, and scoop out. Just like that. You can get it almost all out in one scoop. Of course, there's always some left behind, some stubborn stuff. Drop that in there. Oh, I left some in there. Let's get it all out. Avocados are way too expensive to leave some behind. Alright, and the other one the same way. Just put it there at the top. What you were hearing was my pressure cooker coming to pressure. So now to this, I'm going to add 1 large tablespoon of garlic. You don't have to put all this garlic in it, but you know me and garlic if you watch my shows. 1 large tablespoon of garlic. There we go. Bam. Next thing we're going to add, ooh, the garlic's got some smell to it. I'm going to add a tad bit of lemon juice. Now you can use lime juice. I didn't have any, so I'm just using a little bit of lemon juice on it. Next thing we're gonna add is our cilantro. Cilantro gives it that, it really breaks down everything, but the cilantro gives it that zang to it. If you guys buy these bundles of cilantro like this in the store and you're sitting there by one trying to pick them out, don't even bother with it. Just put your cilantro down, take a sharp knife, just roll over the top of it. Just like that. Then you can put the rest in a bag and you can use it for later. Simple as that. So we're going to take this bit of cilantro here, we're just going to chop it up. And it's up to you on how fine you want to chop it. And then we're going to throw the rest of it in here. Alright. So that's essentially all there is to it, but we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste and mix it up in here, and I'll be right back in a second. Okay, guys, so here we go. I'm going to mix this up in here with the avocado. And to the mixture here, oh, look at that, that's looking good. A little bit of salt. Of course, there's my pink Himalayan sea salt. And some black pepper. Mix this up in here real good. Oh, look at that, look at that. So I'm going to take a tad bit of a taste to see where my salt and pepper content is. There we go, on point. Absolutely on point. So the avocado Pico de Gallo. So we're going to assemble this thing here. So the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to use my Doritos. I think I like the Doritos better even though it wasn't the original. So I opened the bag from the top, as you can see here. And I crunched the chips up just a little bit because otherwise they're going to be large chips. But first thing we add is some nice heaping tablespoons of our chili here. Just going to add that to there. Oh man, this is going to be good. I'm putting quite a bit in there. I like some chili in there. Next thing we're going to add to the top of that is one of our cheeses. Well, you can use both if you want. I'm going to use my sharp cheddar right on the top because I want that cheese to melt on that chili. There you go, as you can see it in there. Then we're going to add a little bit of our lettuce. There we go. And then we're going to top it with our Pico de Gallo sauce, our avocado Pico de Gallo right there on top. Oh man. And then with the last thing we're going to add is a nice dollop of sour cream. There we go. Right there on top. Sometimes I'll take it and I'll close the bag up and shake it a little bit. Get it all mixed in. Only thing else you need is a fork. Take a fork, mix it up in there. You can hold it in the palm of your hand. You got your walking taco just like that. Oh man, that's going to be good. I'm going to set that one aside and I'm going to do the Fritos. So I went to 2 stores and they didn't have the small bags of Fritos. So I got the large bag. And the same thing is essentially the same exact thing. I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to fold down the top here. Makes it a little bit, you know, it stands up a little bit better. You fold the top. So we got our Fritos in there, as you can see. I'm going to add my chili. Add my cheese to it. I'm gonna put some mozzarella in this one. A mozzarella cheese on top so it can get melted on top of that chili. Then we're gonna add a little bit of lettuce. There we go. And then my avocado Pico de Gallo right on top. And just a dollop of sour cream. There we go. There you go. Walking taco. That's all there is to it. And there you go, guys. Walking tacos. Got my Fritos and my Doritos. Perfect for the game, for the kids. However you want to eat them. You can put whatever you want to in them. Alright guys, so there you go. Walking tacos, Big Tone's way. So you can use Doritos, you can use Fritos, whatever you like. I'm going to take a bite, guys. I am going to take a bite. Let me get every little bit of ingredients in there. Oh my God, that's good. For something so easy, this is very good, guys. And if you like the video, excuse me, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.